na gwika ase bunge ose county ya Nyamira omwancho murigereri litukolia rero nigo muswada oetigwa imeye bunge ya county yuo wogotenia ebikaro birumanyikanite buna bunge mashinani ase banya ebinya bikonya bikorawa amo no muspeaker omukoro bwe bunge yuo omusikeno kokelo muswada yuo nigo ikigwa bosio bwe bunge yuo no musike Vincent Beneja oyole omwamsie bwe ward ya Kiabonyaru ngano enabo omwamsie bwe ward ya Manga musike Samuel Ogeto nigagendere ko mochia speaker omukoro oeno kokero asagotanga nigagenda kobagana abantu anene mono kurwase ward ya Marani
koro ko mheshimiwa Vincent Thomas Benecha igondo MCA we ward ya Kiabonyaru ase county yetu ya Nyamira aseli tukoria lero nareta emotion ase assembly yetu ya Nyamira bono mugaso ase nare korigia ogotenenigwa we bunge mashinani abandu bamintu banyamira asama tukarere maiga make mwarorire tokorete drama ngantu bwate chibunge ibere ase county ya Nyamira igonda ete gotebaga rero ngantu bwate bunge ibere ase county ya Nyamira ebunge tubwate neyemo eteneneire no mosketa dius nyabaro igaria ase bunge mashinani twayetiri ere irigo yani teli ase lichiko boigo twatebire tebwene tugotumia besa chine chionsi cy'abananchi igaria tebwene tugotumia gindo kende gionsi cy'abananchi kuna chigari omusiko yokero natamete negari y'omuspeaker go assembly etokomodeyaira nie egari eria asa assembly omuspeaker oraende gotumia igo gento kende gionsi ya serikali egente twaroka bunge mashinani yaetigo asa assembly nga ekere getanche iria serichiko tobuga dendo igoro bunge mashinani because it is discriminatory tebuga ati budget nja eteta as public participation nabo igo resolution ye house nja etetiwe naba MCA egere ebunge yo emayo chaka egasi yabo igo.
Mr. Speaker, when I go to the rural area where I come from, then the Mr. Okero, the immediate speaker, has divided the ward into two. And he has even told me that I should be concentrating to the other end towards my home, and they should concentrate towards his home. I want to know whether we have two MCs. Why divide the ward into two? This is total disturbance in the ward, Mr. Speaker.
Vale 11. Ingendo kibara aite karo vale 11 ekeraba abashimiwa 23 ba attend the assembly gari se weneta koba. Okero tali speaker ye county ya Nyamira asebon. Ebi nabegete koti tigaganya asikoerera egento biratebe na intu na MCA ntobugatie mune koti eratebe lakini asebono etobwado mo speaker ta dius nyabaro lero buna tarenge gaiga mweigwo bune koti yabeka igoto moete atimo kake omo deputy speaker mo skema tinga nere bono igotenete bunge
Video motion to allow debates on the motion to declare the Bunge Mashinani unlawful. He stopped the forthwith and compelled the county government to stop planning and organizing the illegal activities using public funds and the vehicles. Will as many as of the similar opinion say aye? Aye. Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.